In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your socials using Notion, creating a personalized link hub that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you're managing multiple social media profiles or just want an easy access point for all your information, using Notion to consolidate these links is a game changer. First, let's dive into the basics. If you're not already familiar, Notion is an all-in-one workspace that can transform how you organize your digital life. One of its lesser-known functionalities is the ability to create link hubs, a centralized location where you can store and easily access all your social media links. And today, I'll guide you through setting this up. We'll begin by typing the / followed by the word link into your Notion page. This simple command gives you exciting options. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Web Bookmark. This is a straightforward way to create a clickable card that includes a preview of the website or the social media profile you wish to link. Now, the fun part. Pasting your social links. Grab any social media link, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, now known as X, LinkedIn, TikTok, or any platform you desire. Make sure that each link you paste is complete and accurate, as Notion will use this to generate a preview. This functionality is particularly helpful as it saves time and gives your page a neat, professional look. As you paste your social link into the web bookmark, watch as Notion works its magic. This application automatically generates a visually compelling, clickable card. Not only is the preview aesthetically pleasing, but it also gives a quick indication of what each link leads to. Imagine the convenience of having all your social media platforms easily accessible from one well-organized page. This is ideal if you spend a lot of time switching between apps, or if you need to share your online presence seamlessly. Once you've successfully created your first link, it's time to rinse and repeat for all your other social handles. The process is the same for each platform. Type the command, select Web Bookmark, paste the link, and voila. Soon, you'll have a comprehensive link hub, just like that. This method of organizing links is not only efficient, but greatly enhances your productivity. Having everything in one place eliminates the need for clunky third-party apps or document-based links that can become unwieldy. Plus, given Notion's customization options, you can enrich your page aesthetically, making navigation a breeze. I hope this helps you create a seamless, organized space for all your social links using Notion. Remember to explore and experiment with Notion's capabilities more broadly, as there's a lot you can do to tailor it to your unique needs. Happy organizing!